Welcome to vegetarian homestyle cooking. Today's recipe is air fryer okra. Why I like to cook okra in air fryer is it's not sticky, zero monitoring and less time compared to stove top cooking. In this video I'm going to share 3 quick recipes with air fryer okra. So here I've taken 2 measuring cups okra, add oil, salt, mix well. Transfer to air fryer basket. Spread evenly. If you take 4 measuring cups, then you have to increase the air fry time. Now we are air frying at 370 for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see the okra is not dry and not sticky. So you can add curry powder to okra and serve with grains of your choice. And the second recipe is add grind coconut, green chili, toasted sesame seeds and mix with okra and squeeze juice of lemon. Thanks for watching. If you are staying in a cold country and you can't go for groceries shopping every week, so I'm sharing a tip to store garlic for months. How I store garlic for months? Take a coffee bottle, clean it, place a paper towel inside, and this is the garlic. I buy organic garlic. Place in the coffee jar and close the lid. Air dry every week, so they will stay good for months.